Hello students, this is Ms. Thandore SS and today we are going to discuss reaction involving retention of the diazonium group. This is the last reaction of our mice, but before that, if my channel is not subscribed yet, you can like, share and subscribe the channel. So let us start with the reaction involving retention of the diazonium group. It is a coupling reaction. Last time we have seen where there is replacement of diazonium group by nucleophiles actually, and that reaction was nucleophilic substitution. Here there is a retention of diazonium group in the compound and the reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. We'll see the reaction first. When diazonium salt, that means C6H5, then N2, N plus, double bond N, Cl minus. When diazonium salt, benzene diazonium chloride, when it reacts with phenol, in presence of alkaline medium, then in that case just hydrogen atom H plus of phenol from para position is replaced by the diazonium ion and you will get compound C6H5. Then N double bond N, C6H5 OH. The replaced hydrogen of para position from phenol and this Cl comes together to form here HCl. Name of this compound at para position OH group is there, so it is your para hydroxy. 2 nitrogen atoms, so azo benzene. Para hydroxy azobenzene, and color of this compound is orange. So this is your orange dye. In this compound actually the two benzene rings, these two benzene rings are joined together by N double bond N, and this linkage is called as a azo linkage. Azo linkage. So I can write here also again N double bond N is your azo linkage. So in case of benzene ring, there is a conjugate system. You know that, you are well familiar with that actually, and there are two benzene rings attached by azo linkage. So here there is a extended conjugated system in which two benzene rings are joined together, linked together by azo linkage, and so they absorb in the visible region of electromagnetic spectrum, and so they get a particular color there. So color of this dye is orange dye. We'll take one more reaction in which again your benzene diazonium chloride, I'll write name here, benzene diazonium chloride. So again in another reaction what happens, the benzene diazonium chloride C6H5 N plus N Cl minus, when it reacts with aniline C6H5 NH2, again in alkaline medium, then in that case again this H is a hydrogen atom of aniline from para position is replaced by diazonium ion, and you will get here again C6H5 N double bond N, C6H5 NH2. With again this H and Cl comes together to form a removal of HCl. Here also the linkage is your azo linkage. And name of this compound at para position, now amino group is there, so it is a para amino, then azobenzene. and color of this compound is your yellow color. This is yellow dye. So the color is due to what? As they absorb in the visible region of electromagnetic spectrum, they get color here. Why? Because they have a conjugate, extended conjugate system, in which what happens, two benzene rings are joined together by azo linkage there. So the para amino azobenzene is having yellow color, so it yellow dye, and para hydroxy azobenzene is having orange color. This is a orange dye here. So this is retention involving this is a reaction involving retention of diazonium group. This is also called as a coupling reaction. We'll see mechanism of this reaction, mechanism of one reaction only, both so that you will come to know mechanism and why it is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Actually the question may be for MCQ, that is retention of diazonium group or coupling reaction is what type of reaction it is, whether it is electrophilic substitution or nucleophilic substitution reaction. We'll see mechanism first so that it is more clear to you. So here in this case actually phenol is present, that is C6H5OH, OH. So in alkaline medium, OH minus ions are there. So this oxygen atom of OH actually absorb or take hydrogen atom, and there is a formation of phenoxide ion. O minus. By removal of water molecule, OH and H comes together to form water molecule. So here in this case there is a formation of O minus ions, and this actually when there is a delocalization of electron pair again, so this electron pair, there is a formation of new bond in oxygen and carbon atom of aromatic ring there. As a result, what happens, this pi bonded electrons are shared in between next two carbon atom, there is a formation of new bond, and so again the pi bonded electrons are shifted to next carbon atom, and you will get there new compound in which what happens, here there is a formation of new bond, here already bond is there, here also new bond is formed, oxygen atom, and this carbon atom acquires negative charge. Now actually this carbon atom acquires negative charge, but with this carbon atom one hydrogen is also there, CH is there. Then actually this reacts with your diazonium salt, C6H5, then N plus and Cl minus. So here in this case what happens, this bond is shifted to nitrogen atom, and so the chlorine is take both the electrons of NCl bond, and there is a formation of Cl minus. The Cl minus and H comes together to form HCl, and next step is what, this as this acquires positive charge, it is an electrophile and it attacks on electron rich center. So here there is a formation of new compound in which C double bond O, then already double bond is here, here also one double bond, this hydrogen atom combined with Cl minus, so there is a formation of HCl, and this bond is actually, now these electrons are shared in between this and this carbon atom, so again the bond pi bonded electrons get shifted towards C next, so oxygen atom again takes both the electrons of this double bond, and here you will get new compound in which the oxygen carries negative charge. Here there is a formation of double bond, here double bond is there, then N double bond N and this C6H5. C6H5. Now this compound actually HCl is there in the solution. So HCl, so the oxygen atom actually takes H plus ions from the HCl, and you will get this oxygen atom, as it is having negative charge, this actually take H plus ions here, and there is a formation of your dye. I'll write here, that is C6H5 OH double bond N, then C6H5 N double bond N C6H5, and the name of this compound is what? Para hydroxy. I'll write here para, then hydroxy azobenzene. Color of this compound is orange color. So actually in this reaction what happens? The H plus ions, these are replaced by, here H plus ions, these are replaced by C6H5 N2 plus ions, and so this is your, I'll write here, electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So coupling reaction is your electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, while replacement of disonium ion is your nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this is all about amines. In amines we have seen introduction of amines, then classification of amines, then we have seen nomenclature, both the system, common system of nomenclature and also IUPAC system of nomenclature. Then we have seen basic nature of amines. I told you this is, surely you will get question on this, basic nature of amines, then pKb values. Then next is preparation methods of amine, then reactions of amine. So this is all about amines. We'll see the next chapter next time.